We're back with an update. Let me face this way so the lighting's better. So we both got to LA last Thursday. Turns out I came back positive with COVID on Friday. And then so I was basically stuck at my place for 5 days at my uncle's in my room watching shows. Minor setback, I would say. We're about to go to Santa Monica Beach for a little bit and then go find some live music. Yeah, there's a couple of days we were regretting coming here because we were both just sitting here like, what do I do with my hands? But we were getting the roll of it, meeting up with friends and making music and connecting with people, so. Any last words? I mean, any outro words?
Yeah, point the camera at me. He puts it at this angle so it makes me look like I'm...
We are in this bitch, officially. Yeah.
I'm just trying to get it right. Late to see. I'll just try another line.
All right, so I have failed miserably at updating everyone on what's going on, but I'm gonna run some of these clips. This is what we've been up to the past like 3 weeks. Beach, exploring, camping, friends flying in, booking sessions, shooting, doing concept shoots, editing a bunch, working for clients. So this is just a montage of everything we've been up to.